Welcome to MirrorSafe. MirrorSafe is a new and patented innovation in truck mirrors. It's based upon our own experience, and after speaking to others, we saw a need in the market for a product that saves hassle, time and money and increases road safety. The product is British engineered and designed and manufactured at our facility in Sussex. MirrorSafe saves downtime on your trucks as there's less chance of damage following a mirror strike. MirrorSafe increases road safety. It's in a highly visible yellow, it has heated glass, and in the event of an impact, noise is greatly reduced. So MirrorSafe not only saves you hassle, cost and time, but it also improves your safety profile. For more information, please visit us via our website at mirrorsafe.co.uk.